हमारे साथ एक ऐसे व्यक्ति है जो आज के एजेंडा से जुड़े हुए हैं। पिछले एक हफ्ते से सब उनको सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं या सवाल पूछ रहे हैं। ही इज द न्यूज मेकर ऑफ द मोमेंट इन अ वे। प्लीज वेलकम the Civil Aviation Minister of the country, the youngest minister in the Narendra Modi cabinet, K. Ram Mohan Naidu.
Thank you, Rajdeep ji.
I have to ask you this. मैं शुरुआत वहीं से करूंगा। क्या हुआ है कि सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर की रात की नींद खत्म हो गई है? 4 और 5 दिसंबर को क्या हुआ कि एक दिन में 1600 फ्लाइट 1600 फ्लाइट्स ऑफ इंडिगो गॉट कैंसल्ड विद इन 24 आवर्स और इतने लोगों को इतनी परेशानी हुई? पहले आप सॉरी कहना चाहेंगे? किसको जवाब दे रखते हैं? हु इज अकाउंटेबल? क्या हुआ उस दिन?
सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो ये इंडिगो का क्राइसिस हुआ है, ये ग्रॉस मिसमैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंडिगो है। उनके इंटरनल क्रू रोस्टरिंग सिस्टम जो ठीक चलना चाहिए था, जो उनके हिसाब से ही उन्होंने कंप्लायंस लिया था कि न्यू गाइडलाइंस के तहत या जो भी सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स है उसके तहत जो कंप्लायंस लिया उन्होंने, तो उसके तहत वो ठीक चलना चाहिए था। तो उन्होंने अपने अंदर जो इंटरनल क्रू रोस्टरिंग मैनेजमेंट का जो है उसमें गड़बड़ी करी। उसके वजह से एक टम्बलिंग ब्लॉक की तरह ऑपरेशंस 3rd को 4th को 5th को हमने जो कैंसिलेशंस देखे या डिलेज एट एयरपोर्ट्स देखे वो सब देखने को मिला। तो डेफिनेटली द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वुड वांट टू मेक इट वेरी वेरी क्लियर इज दैट द मिस्टेक लाइज एट इंडिगो एंड देयर मैनेजमेंट, हाउ दे हैव डन द रोस्टर, हाउ दे हैव मैनेज्ड द ऑपरेशंस। सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट मिस्टेक दैट दे हैव डन।
So you're putting the blame on Indigo, but सर मैं अगर पूछूं क्या DGCA सो रहा था? नवंबर के महीने में 750 डिसरप्शंस हुआ करते हैं। Many flights of Indigo itself
that is
were being cancelled. You see, what was the Ministry of Civil Aviation and more importantly the DGCA, which is the regulator, doing? उनकी कोई जवाबदेही नहीं। I'm not saying that Indigo does not have responsibility, but आपकी और मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली DGCA नवंबर के मंथ में क्या सो रहे थे कि सडनली December 4th को पता चला बाप रे, इंडिगो इज नॉट ऑब्जर्विंग द फ्लाइट ड्यूटी टाइम लिमिटेशन?
See, Rajdeep ji, one thing what we were doing in November and the fact that you have taken November comes from the point that November 1st से FDTL norms नए वाले guidelines अमल हुए
जी।
November 1st के बाद जो छोटे छोटे cancellations उनके हो रहे थे, we were continuously in discussion with them. And then there was a good phase within November when there were no cancellations at all. They were operating well within the average cancellations that usually happen. And then suddenly, it was definitely shocking to us also, because let me also place the facts that on 1st of December, we have had a meeting through DGCA with Indigo regarding the FTTL norms where they wanted clarifications. We have given them the clarifications, but they never mention that so-and-so issue is there with us. So again, I would like to highlight that this was totally Indigo's mistake. We were quite watchful. We were taking care of all the operational oversight. We were ensuring that things were normal, and we gave them multiple opportunities. Had there been an incident like this supposed to be happening, you can come to us, discuss with us and do it. Why have they not done it on 1st of December that was there?
You see, I'll tell you what the speculation is.
Or you want us to daily monitor internal operations of Indigo, how they are doing it? As a regulator, we are looking after the safety. What is the job of Indigo here? We are the regulator here. We give safety norms so that the pilots have a good safety looked after. Their fatigue is looked after. Why did we bring the FDTL norms? Because we care about the safety. We care about the safety of the crew. We care about the safety of the passengers. So that is our intention. And then when we decide that we are going to bring it, it is our responsibility to talk to the stakeholders. Airline से हमने बात करी, सबसे करी, सब अमल कर रहे हैं. Everyone is following it. And these Indigo also said that we are complying with it and we don't have any problem. Even then you want us to look into their roster every day and take over the operations, then there is no point having their senior management or anyone at Indigo. Let us handle all the airlines in the country itself. Do you agree with that?
मैं आपसे सीधा पूछ रहा हूँ, आप क्या मुझे कह रहे हैं कि सडनली जब आप सुबह उठे 3 या 4 दिसंबर को, यू आर टेकन बाय सरप्राइज कि 1600 फ्लाइट जो 5 तारीख को पिछले फ्राइडे कैंसिल हुए, वर यू टेकन बाय सरप्राइज? या आपको लगा नहीं कुछ तो होगा, लेकिन हमने सोचा कि इंडिगो की जवाबदेही है, इंडिगो विल मैनेज इट? Did Indigo take the government of India and the ministry for a ride? ये सवाल डायरेक्ट है.
ये सवाल आंसर करने के लिए अभी टाइम बाकी है मेरे पास. ये कि गवर्नमेंट को राइड पे लिया है, आप दे आर्म ट्विस्टेड, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन विच आई एम स्टिल आंसरिंग, आई एम इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ आंसरिंग. Because here the tussle is not between the government and the airlines. It is not between me and the Indigo. There are people involved. There are people who are relying on these airlines who want to travel across the country from point A to point B. It is my responsibility to take care of them also. It is my responsibility to normalize the operations, look at the stability of the operations, and then I am doing an inquiry on Indigo also how this has happened. And the question that you asked, it is utterly shocking that suddenly on one day that this situation happens. Even though 2 days back they have met DGCA regarding FTTL and they don't even mention about this.
तो was it deliberate? क्या आपको लगता है कि इंडिगो को या तो लगा कि यार मिनिस्ट्री कुछ करने नहीं वाली, डीजीसीए चलते रहेंगे ऐसे, फरवरी चली जाएगी, we'll be okay. Was it that? Or were you I come back to it, were you taken for a ride by Indigo?
ये दोनों का मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया. इसका जो आंसर है वो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ, हम लिखने के प्रोसेस में ही है. इसका जरूर हम समाधान देंगे और ऐसा समाधान देंगे कि कोई आगे आप या कोई और देश में कोई नहीं पूछे कि मिनिस्ट्री को राइड कर लिया किसी ने.
It will never happen again.
It will never happen again.
ये गारंटी आप दे रहे हैं सब पैसेंजर्स को, it will never happen again.
अगर ये मैं नहीं करता तो मैं क्यों रहूं इधर? I am the minister of this country taking care of this aviation sector and it is my responsibility to ensure that this doesn't happen. And the reason why it has happened is to be found out also. And that is why we have put an inquiry behind this.
मैं इसलिए आपको पूछ रहा हूं, मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा फोटो देखा. I saw a nice photograph of the Indigo CEO, Mr. Ibers doing namaskar to you. Was he seeking your apology कि हमें क्षमा कर दीजिए, माफ कर दीजिए, या कि ये केवल ऑप्टिक्स था, आपको न्यूज़पेपर की हेडलाइन चाहिए थी, मिनिस्टर सीक्स अपॉलॉजी फ्रॉम इंडिगो सीईओ? ये फोटो के पीछे असलियत क्या है? व्हाट इज द ट्रूथ बिहाइंड द फोटो ऑफ द सीईओ वर्चुअली apologizing to you? Did he apologize?
Rajdeep ji, I am glad that you have asked about this thing. He was folding his hands. He was seeking an apology, but not to me, but to the people of this country, which is duly deserved also. He has to apologize to the people of this country. I am just a public servant. It is not me he is apologizing to. He was apologizing to the people of this country, which was duly necessary.
You see, because I also, and you can correct me if I am wrong, एक statement आई है that you have said that you will sack the Indigo CEO. And I am not able to understand. Can government of India sack a private company CEO? That is for the board of Indigo to do. Is it, ये भी क्या public को खुश करने के लिए minister is saying, don't worry, I will sack the CEO, when actually you have no powers to sack the CEO of Indigo?
Rajdeep ji, again here, there has been no precedent in these kind of incidents. And definitely there is a rule of law through which we can act. But here we have to consider the kind of disruptions that have happened and the distress that the people have gone through. And if I've said, you have to reconsider my statement here, I have said that if it comes to the point where there is found that due to the negligence or due to the inability of people in the senior management, or let it be a certain position, if it was their inability to act upon this or their mismanagement of this, then definitely we will take up action of that regard in the interest of the people. We will not hesitate. That is exactly what I said.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपको लगे कि इंडिगो ने ये डिलिबरेटली किया या उनकी नेग्लिजेंस थी, लापरवाही थी, तो आप इंडिगो को कहेंगे प्लीज सैक योर सीईओ, सही?
Yes, yes, definitely. In the interest of the public, we will talk to the airlines regarding it. Let the inquiry report come out. Let it tell us where exactly the problem lies. Why have Indigo, who have been running excellent operations for the last 20 years, this is not a new airline that has come into the block. They have been running optimal, best OTP operations for the last 10 years. Suddenly you are seeing that one single day everything is falling down. Then who is responsible for this within Indigo itself? Let us look into it. Let us study that.